My time machine may be in here.
Come inside now. It's dark.
Wait. What are these holes in the ground? Are they for water?
No, come away.
Look! Someone is in trouble.
Ah! Help!
It's all right. I've got you. You're safe now.
Thank you. I am Weena. Let's go inside now.
All right. I'll take you home. Oh! Look out!
No! Help!
It went down one of the holes in the ground. What was it?
A Morlock.
What is a Morlock? Tell me, Weena.
No, I don't want to.
This future world is not as perfect as it seems. I found out that there is another kind of creature living in this world. The Morlocks, who live underground. I wanted to find out more about them, as they might have taken my time machine. Weena followed me everywhere.
No, come this way.
No, Weena! I must go underground.
Don't go down there. Please.
I won't be long, Weena. Don't worry. Suddenly, a cold hand touched my face. Ah! Who's that touching me? Ha! He's afraid of the light. Stop! Wait! I can hear machines, and I smell meat. So, this is where the Morlocks live.
Look. He's not Eloy.
What are you doing? Stop touching me! Let go of me! I want to leave! I've got to get out of here!
Come back.
You're back.
Yes, but I only just escaped. I only just managed to escape from the Morlocks' underground world. And what I saw there worried me. Let's get away from here. They may follow us. Do the Morlocks come above ground often?
They come on dark nights. They come to hunt.
But there are no animals here.
They hunt Eloy.
Then we must find somewhere safe to hide. I wonder why the Morlocks are such monsters. And what's that machinery for? Perhaps the Eloy were once powerful, and the Morlocks were the workers. But now the Morlocks have the power. And the Eloy are helpless and afraid.